Hey, I'm Chris with CarryOnUSA.com and Affordable Medical Equipment. This is Terry. He's a customer that bought one of these GB-120s about a year ago now, and he came to get his basket because we didn't have the baskets when we first bought them. Now we do. But he kept telling me, this is the best money we've spent, so I figured, why not shoot a video? Why do you like this scooter?
It's convenient. And it does not, it'll go anywhere I need to go.
Okay.
I have not found one place I can't go yet.
Okay. We sell it as like a hard surface scooter, but this guy's had it for a year, and he's telling us.
We were football games, and we went on a trip to, what was that place in Georgia? Helen, Georgia. We went to Helen, Georgia, went to the falls and all that. So, no, I got no complaints.
How about getting it in and out the car? Has it been convenient for y'all, or is it hard? Or?
I can put it in by myself if I have to.
Okay.
Most of the time, both of us do it, but I can do it by myself.
Okay. Do you just lean it on the car and slide it in, or you just pick it up, put it in?
I just usually pick it up, put it in there.
Okay. What do you not like about it? Besides the basket not on it. Now you have it.
Everything now.
Okay.
I can't think of nothing.
You can't think of anything?
No.
It rides smooth. How does the battery last for you?
I never run it out.
Okay.
Like I said, best money I ever spent.
Awesome. And how old are you?
68.
68. He said that. That's pretty cool. All right. Well, I appreciate you.
Yes, sir.
And we thank you so much. Call us if you have any issues.
I'll do.
And you can give us a call at 803-926-2224 or visit us online at CarryOnUSA.com. It'll go direct to this scooter. And this is a fold-down scooter with a lithium-ion battery. It's easy to load in and out the car. Now it comes with a front basket, so that can come right off. It's a little snug on this one. It comes off, you can fold it up, and you can fold this scooter down in like 10 seconds to put it in the back of your car.
When the seat comes off.
Yeah, and the seat comes off.
Okay.
Perfect.